Greetings and salutations, everyone. This is my 2022 Ford Maverick, and this is my 2021 F-150. And let me tell you why I need both of them. First thing I'd like to note is we have farm equipment. We have large trailers. We haul large things. This is our city property. We need to go in and out of our farm. The combine is here for me to work on it. That might be another video. So that is why we need this bad boy right here. This is also our workhorse. The F-150's got the work surface, the clamps, the step. The one we got at least. So I can easily get in there. An outlet. All the trimmings for loading stuff up. I was even able to fit a little swing case in here to get all the ratchet straps in and out. It's just something that works great for us. This is the short bed, and there's a reason why I went with it. That bed's only 5.5 feet. This one, we could get a 6.5, even 8, but the reason we wanted that is because we wanted the larger cab. For one, not only the more leg room here, and two, it fits our son's booster seat nicely. And the third benefit is if we need some dry storage, like my tools or what have you, that flips up and I have all this space here to put stuff in it. It is nice. It's lockable, secure storage, and it's also kept me from feeling the need to get a Tonto cover or something over the top here, because if I want to lock something in, hide it, keep it dry, I put it in here. And for the most part, for me so far, it's only been tools. So that's why I did that. Not to mention, this kind of is a family vehicle, because on a moment's notice, it'll seat 6. Ready to go. I took the headrest out because I primarily leave that laying down. Little storage under here. Nice. Toolkit there. Plenty of storage up here. Outlet there, including the bed. Just very nice. Very nice F-150, 4-wheel drive, gets us through the farm, tows up to 14,000, hauls up to 3,000, because I have the 3.5 liter turboed engine, bigger frame. Although I think the towing drops because I have the 4-door. So, I mean, I'm only towing like 10,000, 11,000, but that put me out of the Ranger spec. We had a 2019 Ranger. We had to upgrade here. Hood deflector, because why not? It looks awesome. Front hood looks amazing here. Swapped out the annoying large antenna for the nice tiny one. Definitely a must. So, we have this truck. Why do we have a second truck? Yes, I'm going to call this a truck. This is absolutely a truck. Well, really, this replaces my sedan. Now let's get into the Maverick and why we got the XLT for the Maverick. The XLT gives you a better interior color scheme. It gives you the door panel lock on that side, where you type on the door panel and it lets it pop open. It also allows you to get the luxury package, which gives you this outlet, heated seats, heated steering wheel for the front only, not the back, obviously. Spray and bed liner, full-size spare, power outlet in the bed as well, light in the bed, more tie-down points. These little guide rails are included in that, and it also throws in the receiver, which you're going to want. You can do 2,000 on it. It's more than worth it. This will be able to get us plenty of towing. It's going to tow our little chicken hauler. It's going to tow our small trailers. It is going to be well used and used as a truck. Also, the luxury package gives you the much nicer rims. So another reason why you want to get the XLT in this trim. Not only that, in addition to that, we did a few add-ons on this bad boy. Biggest one I recommend is the rubber floor covers. Just delete the carpeted floor covers. They're useless. Because there's the front ones. They cover pretty much everything where your feet are going to touch. And the rears also cover everywhere, every little nook and cranny way back in there. It even has flaps that go over the top here. Absolutely amazing why we had to get that. And yes, this does replace a sedan. I had a sedan for fuel economy driving around town. This is the hybrid version. It made more sense to have a hybrid truck with a little bit of utility than to get another sedan. Not to mention, this thing has more fuel economy than my sedan did, or that any sedan I was going to get ever could have. If you don't know about the Maverick, there's tons of things that make it unique. Those Fitz hooks are one of them. They're here. There's one here that you can 3D print stuff in. There's a couple under the seat. I got a laptop there, but I'll kind of show you. Tools, the hitch, little towel, that. Because I have the hybrid, a little bit takes up by the battery, but there's enough spot for jumper cables, manuals, and little odds and ends. I think some wiring for the tailgate connection. Absolutely amazing there. The next reason you'd want to get a Maverick, the flex bed. These are flat. You can pull that up halfway, get some 4x8 sheets in here. Not to mention 2x4s fit there, there, and there. That'll do a 4x6, and that'll do a 4x6. And that'll also fit a 4x6 if you want. So it is absolutely amazing. So, that's the reasoning, and that's why we had to get both. Until next time, I'm the Ill-Informed Human. Goodbye.